Alright, so we have a situation where the hinge is still intact on the arm, as you can see here. Alright, it just slipped out of the joint. So, if we look closely, there's a couple, 1, 2 slots in there that these 2 slots need to slip into. So in order to get them to seated back in there, you have to heat up the plastic. Okay, it won't sit in there all the way, so we put it in there. Sorry, my hands are a little dirty from staining some wood earlier. Anyways, we put it in this slot. We use a wood burning device. Well, that's what I use anyways. And you simply, trying to get you a good view, simply hold it there on the metal, heating the metal up, and then that'll then allow the metal to that'll allow the metal to melt the plastic that it's touching and allow the metal to slip back into the joint. I'm heating it up, and that kind of lets it slip nice and tight back into the joint. You just let it cool off, and let the plastic melt right back into the metal, and the joint should be okay. You know, for a little while, but all in all, you need to get it repaired with your eyeglass manufacturer. But what this does is doesn't void your warranty, at least that I know of. We're not putting any glue on it. We're just heating the plastic back up and slipping it back into its joint. So, I hope this helps somebody. As you can see, it's nice and tight. And we just let it cool off and put it back in use. Alright, thanks.